Hello everyone, welcome to my online geography class KSK Geography. Here we are going to talk about ICSE Geography 2023. Remember students, getting 100 out of 100 is not difficult at all. You can get those 100 marks very easily. So for that, how much knowledge you are having, that's not important. What is important? How you are representing your answer. How you are representing your answer to the examiner. That is very, very important. Here in this video, I am going to tell you about those tricks, how you can represent your answer in better way to the examiner and you will get the benefit. Right? So first of all, you need to do one thing that is very, very important for geography subject especially. Before one day, please keep your color pencil as well as that 10 division scale ready with you. Along with the admit card, you have to carry both the things, right? So in exam, you will not panic, right? And you can answer those map question and topographical question very easily. Right now, coming back to the examination hall, be calm, cool, composed, right? Don't need to take any tension. You know the blueprint. Now you have to attempt for the exam. You have to start writing for the exam. For that, you need to take few strategy. What are those? First, you are getting 2 hours in writing, but remember, you are getting 15 minutes. That is the reading time. You have to use that reading time very intensively. Very planned way, strategic way. How you will utilize? Remember, when you will get the question paper for reading, don't see in the part 1. Don't see in the part 1. Come to the part 2. Why not in part 1? Because part 1 is the compulsory part. You have to attempt all the question. There is no other option. So don't waste time in part 1 first. Come to the part 2. There will be 9 questions. Out of 9 questions, you have to attempt those 5 questions, right? So choose this question. First 15 minutes, when you are getting it for reading, first 5 minutes utilize, read all the question and choose the best 5 question that you can answer better, right? Now, coming back to the part 1. Remember, along with the question paper, you will get the map of India page, right? That will be the last page. So, that page, you need to take it out, right, very carefully. Why? Because you will not get any other option. You will not get any other map. That map only, it will be attached with your answer script, right? So take it out very carefully. Mark all the map features by using those specific color for specific features, a neat and clean way, because this map page examiner, most probably examiner is going to check first, so that it will give you good impression about you to the examiner. So be very careful. Make it neat and clean by using the specific color for specific features. Now, this 15 minutes you are getting the reading time. That time only, don't forget to ask the topographical map. Don't forget to ask the topographical map from the examiner. That you will get it in the exam. So take the topographical map. In that time, read it carefully. Try to get those answers so you will not spend more time when actual writing time will start. Right now, one more tricks. When you will answer all those questions, remember, make it easy for the examiner to check. So make it in proper sequence. But if you don't know the answer, any answer, keep it gap. No issue at all. Because when examiner will check, they will not get to know you have answered this question first or at last or any other time, right? So make those things in proper sequence. First, complete that map work. Next, in the main sheet, start writing those topographical map question. After topographical map question, start the MCQ. Question number 2. This is the 10 MCQ. Remember, along with the MCQ option, don't forget to write down the answer also. It will not take too much time, but write the answer also. Why? Because in the school time, when you are giving exam, if teachers is forgetting to give marks somewhere, they miss out giving some marks, so you can approach to the teacher. But in board exam, to whom you will approach, right? So it's better to make those answer script in neat and clean way, so for the examiner, so they can avoid to give you marks, right? Now part 2, when you start part 2, give heading part 2, and which question you will start. Suppose question number 4, climate chapters you are starting. So question number 4, A, B, C, D. In sequence, you start writing those answers, right? After finishing those answers, now you have 15 minutes left for revision. So what you have to do in the revision time, take the other color pencil or pen or highlighter, start highlighting those keywords, so it will be attracted by the examiner, right? One more thing I want to say it here. You have studied 1 year, complete 1 year for the exam, right? Exam time you will get 2 hours to showcase whatever knowledge you are having, but examiner will take 15 minutes time to check, evaluate your answer script and give you marks. Those 15 minutes are very, very important, right? So that is your responsibility. You have to draw the examiner attention. They don't have time to read the answer word by word, so the answer, it should be in such a way so it will be attracted. Make diagram, as much as diagram is possible, especially the climate chapters. If you are attempting the climate chapter, there is a lot of scopes, it will be there to make those diagrams, right? So if you make those diagrams, it will give good impression about you to the examiner, and believe me that it will help you to get good marks. Thank you very much.